All right, time to change out the air filter on a 2020 BMW 330i. Now, typically there's a clip right here, but there's not. We've got one on this side, one down here, and then the last one. You really gotta stick your finger down there and pop it out. Then you got yourself real old, dingy air filter. There's the before and after. Then personally, I like to just clean the inside of the box there. Just get it nice and clean. You can see you got that rag. And then this long side faces the driver's side. So you can go ahead, slide it in there like so. Make sure everything's good. I would clip it there, but I got a new clip on order. Get that bottom one, get the one down here. And this one is really hard to get to. I like to use just my scissors, get the clip there. Then you gotta push the air box down. I needed 3 hands, so just set the camera down, but push it down nice and good, and then you can kind of press in, and then just like halfway down, and it'll pop right into place. And then lastly, you got this clip here. I got a new clip ordered though, so it'll be brand new. Now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.